Have you ever yearned to understand the secrets of the universe? Do you seek profound wisdom that transcends the boundaries of our known existence? Look no further, as Alex Collier is here to ignite your mind and spirit with his extraordinary encounters with the Andromedan civilization. Alex Collier has dedicated his life to sharing the profound messages and teachings he has received from our cosmic neighbors, the Andromedans. His experiences have transformed the lives of countless individuals across the globe, and today, we're honored to bring you his extraordinary insights and revelations. But before we delve into the depths of cosmic knowledge, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to join our incredible community. Trust us, you won't want to miss a single moment of the knowledge Alex Collier imparts. Sit back and relax and listen to Alex Collier discussing the compassion that can be felt throughout the dimensions.
You mentioned in a past webinar that humans, I believe referring to Terrans specifically, had the ability to love and show a level of compassion that could be felt throughout the dimensions. Could you describe this further?
I don't know that I could actually put it into words. So allow me to just share with you one of several personal experiences that I've had and just see if it resonates or not with you or any of you. When I lost my kids, I was working. I was selling lasers to the Air Force, the Navy, the Army. And I did a lot of traveling, and I would put the equipment and the lasers in the car, and I would drive. And one particular night, after losing the kids, and I had found out that I had tumors on my colon. Well, I was so distraught that I had to pull off the road. And I was somewhere between Cedar City, Utah, and the 15 and the 70 in Colorado. Okay, I was on the 15, and then it connects at some point to the 70, and then you head into Colorado, or you can stay on the 15 and go up into Salt Lake. I was somewhere between Cedar City on 15 in Utah and the 70 in Colorado, or near the border of Colorado. And I was distraught. I felt like I was done. And I remember pulling over the car in a rest stop. And I got out of the car and I was weeping, and I remember just looking up at the sky. And every single star was shining. Every single one. And I prayed. And I don't know how to explain it, but something came down from nowhere and hit me. And it felt like I was being given this incredible hug of love. and I knew I was going to be okay. You just know. You just know at the core of your being that no matter how bad it looks or feels or is, you're loved. You're loved. There was another time I thought about driving off a cliff. God, I hate even saying this, telling you this story. And I literally put the pedal to the metal. I don't know if I ever would have followed through with it. And as I came around a corner, there was a family of deer standing in the road. Male, 2 females, and 2 babies. And I mean, the car just stopped by itself. I can't explain it. It just stopped by itself. It slowed down all by itself. The deer never moved. And as I sat there looking at them, they began to move towards the car, and they walked right by my door, my window. As if, hey, dude, it's all good. It's all good. It's going to be okay. Now, I could have just plowed over them. They were not afraid at all. I was the one who was in fear. You know, life's amazing. And it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And it's about times like that that define who people are. Because you don't walk away from those kind of moments being unchanged. They do change you. They change you from the core out. And I'm sure every one of you have your own stories.
We are immensely grateful for your support, as it enables us to continue sharing knowledge that transforms lives and expands consciousness. So please remember to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell for cosmic notifications. Thank you for being an integral part of our cosmic journey. Stay curious, stay open-minded, and most importantly, stay connected. Together, we'll navigate the vast cosmic tapestry hand in hand. Until our next adventure, fellow truth seekers. If you would like to see Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we host an online seminar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information and dates of upcoming online seminars, please visit alexcollier.org. Please click on one of the above videos to seek more of Alex Collier's knowledge.